What's up and welcome back to the channel. Well, today's video is going to be about Tubebuddy. Basically, when I started my channel, I was not knowing whether I should go for the mobile plan or the desktop plan of Tubebuddy. And trust me, there is a huge difference. I finally bought the desktop plan and the mobile plan as well. Both of those plans with me. And in this particular video, I'm going to show you basically what are the keyword scores that you get, the basic keyword rankings that we search for on Tubebuddy. How does it differentiate between the mobile version and the desktop version? So if you are someone who has just started your YouTube channel, or if you're planning to buy a particular keyword research tool, I mean, there are two partners, of course. There is vidIQ and Tubebuddy. If you are thinking about dwelling between both of them, this video is going to be for you. Let's get started. What's up people, welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video we are going to talk about Tubebuddy. So I received a query on Quora, and that is there a difference between mobile Tubebuddy and desktop Tubebuddy 2021? So I decided to make a video on this because when I was going and thinking of buying Tubebuddy, I had this question in my mind. By the way, I have the paid version for the desktop as well as the mobile application, and in this video we are going to go and search one by one these keywords that I have just, for demonstration purposes, I've just searched for them, and I'm going to show the difference between on the desktop version and on my mobile application. So let's get started. Alright, first things first, if you don't have a paid version of Tubebuddy, you really need to buy the paid version of Tubebuddy. And at the end of this video, you'll understand whether you need to buy the desktop version or the mobile version. There's a huge difference basically. And let's get started with the first keyword. So the first keyword is how to schedule multiple pins from Pinterest profile. And I'm going to go ahead and type the same keyword over here. How to schedule multiple pins from Pinterest profile, and I'm gonna hit the search button. Sorry about my desktop, it's a bit shabby. Alright, so the score that I've got for this particular keyword is 25 on my desktop version. Let's see what I get on my mobile version. Alright, so here we are on the mobile application for Tubebuddy. I am gonna go ahead and in the tag explorer search the same query on my mobile application, and that is how to schedule multiple pins from Pinterest profile, and I'm gonna hit the search button. So over here the overall score that the mobile application is giving me is 60. And on the desktop version we got was 25. I'm going to go and search another keyword on my desktop version. Alright, so we are back on the desktop version, and the next query that we have here is how to grow YouTube channel from Pinterest 2021. How to grow YouTube channel from Pinterest 2021, and I'm going to hit the search thingy. And we have a score of 78, which is like a really golden keyword. If you check the score, it's 78 on the desktop for how to grow YouTube channel from Pinterest 2021. Now we're going to go and search the same one on the mobile application. Alright, so we're back on the mobile application and just search for how to grow YouTube channel from Pinterest there was no in on that keyword, Pinterest 2021, and I'm gonna hit the search. I don't know why it's taking time. Alright, so over there we saw the score was 78, wherein on the mobile application we have got a score of 70, which is not that much of difference, but there is a difference. Now we're going to go ahead and search for the other one on desktop. Alright, so we're back on the desktop. Now we saw a slight difference in between the how to grow YouTube channel from Pinterest 2021 of 78 and 70. That was on the mobile and the desktop. Now let's see on the next query that we have. Is there a difference between mobile TubeBuddy and desktop TubeBuddy 2021? So I'm gonna go on this one. Sorry, my bad. Is there a difference between mobile TubeBuddy and desktop TubeBuddy 2021? Enter. Alright, so I have got a score of 45 over here, which is like a good score. And if you don't know what exactly is the why, you need to go ahead and buy the paid version. Paid version is gonna give you this weighted score. So I just remembered, I'm just mentioning it. Weighted, otherwise you're gonna get this unweighted score, which is a very good score, which is not as per your channel's customization or your channel. That basically the keywords that your channel is ranking for, it's not going to be based on that. It's just going to be like a general score. So you need to go ahead and buy the keyword, the paid version for TubeBuddy. Anyway, so the difference, I mean the score given for this one is 45, and now we are going to go on the mobile version again. Alright, so here we are back, and I'm going to type the keyword. Is there a difference between mobile TubeBuddy and desktop TubeBuddy in 2021? And I'm gonna hit the enter. So over there we got the score for the same keyword as 45, and on the mobile application we got it for 63, which is giving me an overall score. So I mean there is a difference in terms of both the desktop and the mobile version. I'm gonna do 2 more queries on this particular thing, so and then we are gonna get on the conclusion part. Alright, back on the desktop version, and this time I'm gonna take the last one. Should I go with Wala query? Should I go with TubeBuddy desktop version or mobile version in 2021? I'm just gonna check if all the spellings are correct. Mobile version or desktop version. Alright, hit enter. Alright, so the score for this particular keyword is also given as 45 over here, and I'm gonna go back to my mobile one. Alright, so should I go with TubeBuddy desktop version or mobile version in 2021? The score we got over there was 45, and the score we are getting over here again is 63. If you can see this right corner page, it's scrolling. So the score we have got over here again is 63. There is a huge difference. And now we are going to do the last one. Alright, so we're back on the desktop, and this time I'm gonna do should I buy TubeBuddy mobile or desktop 2021? Should I buy TubeBuddy mobile or desktop 2021? Hit enter. Wait, it is not searching anymore. Yeah. Alright, so the score for this particular query is 30, and I'm gonna go on my mobile now. Should I buy TubeBuddy TubeBuddy mobile or desktop 2021. In was not there in that one. Alright, so the score we got on the desktop version was 30 and on the mobile version we got 39. So alright, so the conclusion basically is, for the love of God, go with the desktop plan. Why? I mean, you might have different thoughts. I'm not saying that you wouldn't have different thoughts, but this is something which is out of my own experience. I have always compared my mobile keywords and my desktop keywords, and I always had this particular question that why are they different? But I have always went ahead with my desktop ranking score is what I would say, and trust me, it has actually helped me out. I mean, it's good. I'm not saying that it's bad to do your keyword research on your mobile application, but it's just not helpful is what I would say. I mean, yeah, and the rankings that I've got on my desktop version, whenever I have made a video about them, it has ranked the way it has portrayed to me. So I just wanted to share this particular video with you guys. Hope this would be helpful for someone who is just thinking about buying a particular paid version or paid application for your YouTube channel. If you like this particular video, guys, please go ahead and hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I have no clue what are you waiting for such tips. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back with another hack for you guys. Till then, keep watching the channel and keep geeking. Thank you.